California coastline, midday Texas sun, misty rain in Smoky Mountain, out here on the run. Lights of New York City, streets of Boston town, Golden Gate in San Francisco, Seattle's Puget Sound. Been a long time traveling, rolling on from town to town. Arizona desert, Colorado mountain snow, arches out in Utah, Montana, Idaho.
Hey driver, what happened there?
Red Tetons in Wyoming, Oregon's evergreens, rolling hills up in Carolina, Kentucky and Tennessee. Been a long time traveling, rolling on from town to town.
I mean, it's mostly some
Still don't know where I'm bound. Thunderstorms in Oklahoma, wind sweeping down the plain, sand dunes up in Michigan, the rocky shores of Maine, Indiana hardwoods, Midwest sunrise in the Florida Keys.
Freedom Tour.
Takes my breath away. Been a long time traveling, rolling on from town to town. Seen so many places, still don't know where I'm bound. Been a long time traveling, rolling on from town to town.
Yeah, you want to see my film from
I've seen so many places,
I was so angry.
still don't know where I'm bound.
Let's get it different. See where
No matter how far I travel, I'll always find my way back home. When I start to feel my life unravel, I know I'm not alone.
Are you not a boat person?
You're something allergic or something? Does that?
Are you not a boat person? I mean,
I am.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm okay. Yeah, just the way you were.
you're scared.
No, I'm not scared. In any way, shape, or form. We're on a freaking pontoon.
Yeah.
Did you catch anything?
Yeah.
Tell me what you caught.
Stick.
A stick. Any luck, Paula?
Chasing it?
Last time I saw you fishing, you spit on your lure. And got a what?
Ginormous fish.
You
that
did.
about knocked me off.
You did, and I've got a video of that. Hold up, Gail. Gail just ain't afraid at all. She just walked right up. I'm talking about she was 5 feet from that buck. He kept just staring her down. You can just see where something very big has been laying down in this grass right here. I'm the only one out here, and it's just the most peaceful.
Mike was on the machine, so Daryl and Aaron Hetty were filming. Pretty scary.
What? You guys are. I'm about to be. I hate you. Are you, Rod, are you filming?
No, I don't even know how to film.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you're filming too? Oh, you jerks.
Tell me when you're doing that so I can suck this thing in.
What do you eat, Nestor?
It's a whatever pocket. You don't know what you're getting until you bite into it.
I am going to wash these
Wash them.
and salt.
Salt water on them.
And we'll see just how dirty they are.
You guys don't have no idea what food goes through to get from the field.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, I had a whole pallet of strawberries tip over one time. It was little like that. I just picked up and put them back in the thing.
Really?
Yeah. That's why you wash them, I guess.
Water. Yeah. I mean salt.
Well, the Freedom Tour is getting new shoes right there, and we pulled this off, and the tires were weather checking pretty bad, and I had him look at the brakes, and he said it looks like the brakes are brand new on there. So that's pretty cool. The tires were from 2011, so they were obviously weather checking. We got 6 more that are the same way, but they're not weather checked yet, so we're gonna have to get those down the line. But that's pretty good news. We caught those in time.
I've never seen that before.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Yep, that's a nice one.
Are you crying? Is he crying?
I had a tear until you said that.
Okay. This is Rod Nestor, married for 20 years to his best friend Paula.
Oh,
Oh, it's casino chips.
oh yeah. Hey, I can carry that baby around.
Yeah.
Around that, you're done giving me crap.
Fair. That's fair.
Fair statement.
Fair statement.
Oh yeah.
Oh, even with the boo-boos.
I hope I can get him in right.
Now you can protect me if there's bear.
Yeah. Well, thank you.
That's awesome.
Welcome.
So we are way, way up in the mountains here in Colorado. Got these 4 little quads that we rented, Razors. And just as we were just about to leave, as you can tell, there's snow. It's about 30 degrees and light snow up here. And something interesting happened as we're coming up. I just happened to remember to bring my gloves, and no one else did. And my wife's kind of frustrated. She's like, man, why didn't I bring any gloves or whatever? And I said, did you forget who you are? You're my wife. You're my bride. These are yours just as much as they are mine. Anytime you want them, you just tell me you want them and they're yours. And it just kind of made me connect to the fact that we are, he's the groom, we're the bride. And he has us covered. And sometimes we forget who we are. And we complain about what we don't have, and we complain about, what our life is like or what it's not like. And we have to sometimes just have a renewed mind to remember who we are, that we are the bride, and what is his is ours. We are blessed beyond measure. And it's not a spit it, get it, blab it, grab it kind of thing. It's more of a grateful position of saying, I'm so thankful as I stand out here in these beautiful pines and aspens. You can't help but see how good your Father. Go. Was that good?
It's gonna be good. Yeah, you want to see my film from when you try to put your boot on?
I do want you to send it.
You were pretty disgusted at first,
I was so angry.
Yeah.
So mad.
And that made it worthwhile.
So right out here, that's Rod out there and Heather, and they're out kind of off the beaten path, and they're looking at a beaver dome, right? But they're nerved up. So I broke a stick off and chucked it at her and accidentally hit her right in the leg. She liked to come undone. And when she freaked out, Rod freaked out and liked to jump in her arms. So it's a good time. Say it again.
Do not try this at home.
Well, why? What's going to happen?
Because it's going to be a big boom. Fine line between the right amount of ether and too much.
We're about to find out. Oh God, he's crazy. Holy!
What do you think about that, Johnny Fever?
I think you're crazy.